Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Red Lines collection. Today I'm going to do another mail call, and this one is going to be one that a lot of people probably don't collect, but I've kind of got a addiction to these guys. But let's open this up, see what we got here. This guy did a really good job on the packing. Really good. But let's see what we got here. You guys recognize that? That is a prototype Batmobile. So if you were to find one of these in the store, the Batmobiles, this is what it was based off of from the factory. So generally these guys were made for the engineers to approve. And then if they were approved, the cars would be made, built, whatever you want to call them. Look at that. Thing is amazing. So this one kind of goes along with this one. I know I've shown this one before, but this is called a resin prototype, and resin prototypes were the ones that they actually made, and then everybody would sit in a room, pass this around, and then decide if they were going to go ahead and produce it. If they decided to try to do a run with it, then they would try to cast it into the die-cast material, which I have here. So as you can see, I kind of have a thing about these prototypes. One of these days I'll do a video on a lot of the prototypes I have. I have quite a few that I bought just over the last couple of years, just because I like the pre-production stuff. So that is about it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this mail call and kind of a little touch on the Batmobile stuff. I know a lot of people like Batmobiles, and I hope you really liked the prototypes. Have a great day. Bye.